What is Aloe ferox? Aloe ferox, also known as Cape aloe, is a succulent plant native to South Africa. It's a hardy plant that can grow up to 10 feet tall, with thick, fleshy leaves that have a distinctive red tint and are covered with spines along the edges. This plant is well known for its medicinal properties, which have been utilized for centuries by indigenous cultures. Aloe ferox is commonly used for its gel and bitter sap, which are extracted from the leaves and used in various health and beauty products. See more 605 species in genus Aloe at monsterholic.com. What are the benefits of Aloe ferox? Aloe ferox offers a range of benefits, thanks to its rich content of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. It is often used for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe skin irritations, burns, and wounds. Aloe ferox is also known for its laxative effects, making it popular for digestive health and detoxification. Additionally, its antioxidant properties can help protect the skin from free radical damage, making it a popular ingredient in skincare products aimed at anti-aging. Is Aloe ferox safe? When used appropriately, Aloe ferox is generally considered safe. However, it's important to use it in moderation, especially when ingesting, as it contains compounds that can have strong laxative effects. Overuse can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. As with any natural remedy, it's advisable to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially for pregnant or nursing women or individuals with existing health conditions. What is Aloe ferox used for? Aloe ferox is used in a variety of applications, ranging from skincare and hair care to dietary supplements. It is commonly used topically to treat skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and sunburns. Its internal uses include acting as a natural laxative and aiding in digestion. Some people use Aloe ferox in detox diets for its ability to cleanse the body of toxins. Where to buy Aloe ferox products? Aloe ferox products can be found in health food stores, online marketplaces, and specialty stores that focus on natural and organic products. Look for reputable brands that offer pure Aloe ferox extract without additives or fillers. Checking reviews and doing some research on the brand can help ensure the quality of the product. Can Aloe ferox be used in hair oil? Yes, Aloe ferox can be used in hair oil formulations. Its moisturizing properties can help hydrate the scalp, reduce dandruff, and promote hair growth. Mixing Aloe ferox gel with carrier oils like coconut or jojoba oil can create a nourishing hair treatment that strengthens hair and improves scalp health. Does Aloe ferox cause melanosis coli? Melanosis coli is a condition characterized by dark pigmentation of the colon lining, which can be caused by the long-term use of certain laxatives. Aloe ferox, due to its laxative properties, can potentially lead to melanosis coli if used excessively over a long period. It's important to use Aloe ferox products as directed and not rely on them as a regular laxative. Does Aloe ferox thin the blood? There is some evidence to suggest that Aloe ferox might have blood-thinning properties due to its active compounds. Individuals on blood-thinning medications or those with bleeding disorders should exercise caution and consult a healthcare provider before using Aloe ferox. How long to grow a large Aloe ferox plant? Growing a large Aloe ferox plant can take several years. This plant is relatively slow-growing, and reaching its full height of up to 10 feet can take anywhere from 5 to 10 years, depending on growing conditions. Providing the plant with adequate sunlight, well-draining soil, and minimal watering will help it grow healthy and strong. How to drink Aloe ferox juice. Aloe ferox juice can be consumed as a health tonic. It's usually recommended to dilute the juice with water or another beverage, as its natural form can be quite bitter. Starting with small amounts, such as a teaspoon, and gradually increasing the dosage is advisable to gauge tolerance and avoid potential side effects like diarrhea. How to grow Aloe ferox from seed. Growing Aloe ferox from seed requires patience and care. Seeds should be sown in well-draining soil and lightly covered. They need to be kept warm and in a sunny location. Germination can take several weeks, and young plants should be watered sparingly to prevent rot. As the seedlings grow, they can be transplanted into larger containers or garden beds. How to propagate Aloe ferox. Aloe ferox can be propagated by seed or by removing offsets, also known as pups, that grow around the base of the plant. These offsets can be carefully separated and planted in new pots with well-draining soil. Propagating by offsets is generally quicker and easier than growing from seed. Is Aloe ferox fast-growing? Aloe ferox is not considered a fast-growing plant. It has a slow to moderate growth rate, which is typical of many succulents. Proper care, including adequate sunlight, minimal watering, and good soil, can help optimize its growth. Is Aloe ferox habit-forming? Due to its laxative properties, Aloe ferox can potentially become habit-forming if used excessively for bowel regulation. It's important to use it sparingly and not as a long-term solution for constipation. Is aloe vera and aloe ferox the same? While aloe vera and aloe ferox are related, they are not the same. Aloe vera is more commonly known and used worldwide, especially in skincare products. Aloe ferox, on the other hand, is native to South Africa and is known for its stronger laxative effects and slightly different chemical composition. Both plants offer medicinal benefits, but aloe ferox is considered more potent. What does aloe ferox cleanse do? An aloe ferox cleanse is designed to detoxify the body by using the plant's natural laxative properties to flush out toxins. It's thought to improve digestion, cleanse the colon, and promote overall well-being. As with any cleanse, it's important to approach it cautiously and ensure it's suitable for your health needs. What is aloe ferox extract? Aloe ferox extract is a concentrated form of the plant's beneficial compounds obtained from its leaves. This extract can be used in various products, including supplements, skincare, and hair care items, offering a potent dose of aloe ferox's healing properties. Aloe ferox versus aloe vera. Aloe ferox and aloe vera are both valued for their health benefits, but they differ in potency and use. Aloe ferox is generally stronger in its laxative effects, making it more suitable for detoxification purposes. Aloe vera is milder and more commonly used for skincare, hydration, and soothing purposes. Aloe ferox versus Aloe marlothii. Aloe ferox and Aloe marlothii are both South African succulents, but differ in appearance and uses. Aloe marlothii, known as mountain aloe, has thicker leaves and a different flower structure. It's less commonly used in traditional medicine compared to aloe ferox. Aloe ferox versus Aloe arborescens. Aloe arborescens, also known as the torch aloe, has a different growth habit compared to aloe ferox, often forming large shrubs. Aloe arborescens is also used for its medicinal properties, but is considered less potent than aloe ferox. Aloe ferox versus Aloe barbadensis. Aloe barbadensis is another name for aloe vera, making this comparison similar to aloe ferox versus aloe vera. Aloe ferox has stronger laxative effects and a more potent bitter sap, while aloe vera is milder and more widely used for topical applications. Aloe ferox versus candelabra. The candelabra aloe, or Aloe arborescens, has a distinctive shape with multiple branching stems resembling a candelabra. While both aloe ferox and candelabra aloe have medicinal uses, aloe ferox is more commonly used for internal purposes due to its strong laxative properties. In summary, aloe ferox is a powerful plant with numerous health benefits and uses. From skincare to internal detoxification, it offers a natural remedy for various ailments. However, it's important to use it responsibly to avoid potential side effects. Whether you're looking to grow it in your garden or use its products for health and beauty, aloe ferox can be a valuable addition to your natural health arsenal.